In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of backing up your Yahoo emails using the BitRecover Yahoo Backup Wizard. To install the BitRecover Yahoo Backup Wizard, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. Our tool provides user with use batch mode option to back up multiple Yahoo accounts at once using a list of login details from a CSV file. Go back to the Select Email Source option. Use proxy to connect the software to Yahoo through a proxy server by entering proxy details for privacy, location access, or to avoid restrictions. Again, go back to the Select Email Source option. To begin, enter your Yahoo email address and app password. Click the Login button to proceed. The scanning process will start and load the folders. Select or deselect folder for backup using the checkbox in the panel on the left. Select Saving option allows the user to choose a saving method. They can choose from a variety of saving choices. Let's select PSD option for this tutorial. Users can also split PSD files into segments. They can choose the size from the box next to it. Destination path shows the location for the saved backup folder. Click on Change button to select the location. Our tool provides users with filter options for selected backup. Select Use Advanced Settings for selected backup option to use filters such as Date Range, By Sender, Subject, Exclude Folders, Match Exact Words, and Exclude Attachments. Our tool also supports incremental backup options so that user can backup data that has been modified or created since the previous backup was conducted. User can also use selective export settings for email folder option. Go back to backup option. After configuring all the settings, it's time for the backup process. Simply click the backup button, and the backup process will begin. Once the backup is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the backup process was successful. The trail version will only process 25 messages, and to remove the limit, user will have to purchase license to the software. Click OK, and open the destination folder and access the newly backed up files. You have successfully backed up Yahoo emails using the BitRecover Yahoo Backup Wizard. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.